Hi, good afternoon. This is your chef Prakkash. Hope you all doing good and happy Sunday to you all. And today I select the topic is what are the health benefits in soaked cardamom water? The cardamom is the one of the most useful spices which we are used in Indian cuisine. It's for taste and aroma. And cardamom have various kind of medical benefits. If you take 4 to 5 pieces of cardamom soaked in water at night and you take that water at the empty stomach at early morning, it gives the various good benefits to your body. The first point, it helps to reduce your blood sugar level and keep your blood sugar level as normal. The second one is it is very good medicine for ulcer patients if you intake daily. And the third one is it helps to reduce your bad cholesterol in your body. And fourth one is it fight with lots of cancers. So those who have the problem with ulcer and diabetics, you can try this one. You will get the good result. And one more thing, and it's help for if you have any throat infection. This is the good medicine for that also. So kindly try this one and tell me your comments in the comment box, and please keep me support. I like to be in touch with you all. Please share this video, and if you like this video you can subscribe. You all stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you.